All right, what's up, all you red-blooded, patriot, American flag waving, Second Amendment loving Americans? Got some good news for you. Let's talk about it. What's up, everyone? Yeah, like I said, we got some good news. Second Amendment rights, huh? Just breaking today. Turns out you have a right, as if you didn't already know. I mean, there's those of us who understand we have our rights no matter who says we do or not, right? But now the court has stepped in and says you have the right to own a machine gun or a Glock switch, right? The big ruling today, I think it's out of Kansas, the United States versus Morgan. Go ahead and look it up. I'll try to post some stuff up here, but anyone who's more interested in this, go ahead and look it up, United States versus Morgan. And this is going to be something that is deriving out of these other cases that have been revived, such as the Bruen case. And anyways, we have I think last year, about a year ago or so, this Tamori Morgan was arrested and charged with possession of a machine gun and another charge of possession of a Glock switch. And now today it has, or here recently, it has made its way to the U.S. District Courts, and it's been ruled on now by U.S. District Judge John Brooms. Now, we'll give credit where credit is due. Yes, this Brooms was appointed by Donald Trump. So, I mean, anyone looking to give Donald Trump credit for Second Amendment stuff, here it is, right? So this is a big win. They're saying basically they're trying, they charged this guy trying to say he didn't have a right to own that stuff. And the courts is saying, well, there's a big difference between someone who possesses it and someone who's running out in public in a threatening manner with it, right? And they're saying that, as I said, this derives, new standards have been put up and in place out of this New York Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruen, and it clarified the standards. And according to this judge in this new ruling today, the machine gun and Glock switch are bearable arms within the plain text of the U.S. Constitution of the Second Amendment, right? So, I mean, that's a big win. Yes, indeed. I'm sure that they're going to try to appeal it, and now they understand. Now the state understands where they messed up after the ruling. Sometimes it's how this stuff goes, where they failed to meet the burden to try to say that shouldn't be allowed within the Second Amendment. Okay, but the fact of the matter is, as of right now, they're saying these are bearable arms within the context of the Second Amendment. So you are legally allowed to own a machine gun, own a Glock switch. Okay, that's ruled on by the court until it's, until they find a way to appeal it and try to beat it. Okay, and am I hopeful that they're going to come back around after the guns? I assure you, but. This is at the same time a step in the right direction, and this is good news for us, for the Second Amendment, right? Hopefully more wins are to come, and we'll see what comes next. This is only another one more thing that comes up in the line of these things coming out from this Bruen case and a few other cases. As I said, I'm gonna get my one friend on here who's well versed in the Second Amendment stuff to come on here whenever I can get this set up right. But he's going to come on here and tell us some more about some of these cases. And let's go ahead and celebrate that win, though, and we'll keep an eye on it and see what other stuff come about. So we got a week of good news, right? Harley Davidson reversing course. I don't trust that much, but we need to see them get rid of the whole board. That's for sure. And then we got this Bruin case.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day. And so now the Bruin, or not the Bruin case, the Morgan case. Good news, was we need to look more into it or whatever. But was this Morgan sitting in jail all this time or whatever? I don't know. But it is a win for now, and we'll take it, right? And I don't know. Let's keep praying for them wins. Let's keep at it, right? Keep fighting a good fight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it very much. And let us hear the conclusion on the whole matter. Fear God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. For God will bring every work into judgment with every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil. See you in the next video.